Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of SubWallet How To. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions on how to redeem DOT from LC DOT on Acala and stake DOT via Acala using SubWallet Web Dashboard. First, go to farm.acala.network/withdraw and then choose to connect wallet. So on this D app, you need to first connect your EVM wallet, then your Substrate wallet, and then bind them together. Another option would be if you cannot use a unified account, withdrawal can also be done here. So click here, you'll be taken to Acala D app. So here's say withdraw LC DOT to DOT. So I have logged in with the account that used to contribute to crowd loan, and my balance is now 0.9987 LC DOT where I can withdraw to DOT. Let's try withdrawing 0.2. Hit confirm. And then sign on your SubWallet extension. Okay, transaction success. Let's see here. Okay, I should be able to see 0.2 DOT in my Acala. Okay, all good. So now go to earning page on SubWallet Web Dashboard. Okay, hit earn.subwallet.app. And you should be able to see your earning detail because I've logged in with my web dashboard already. Click on this plus icon here and you'll see Acala liquid staking in here. This exclusive reward means that if you stake to Acala pool on SubWallet Web Dashboard from October 24th to November 7th, you'll be able to share a reward pool of 80,000 ACA. Okay, remember that. So hit stake now. And you see your available balance here, 0.1 Acala and 0.2 DOT. However, the minimum active stake that Acala requires to start earning with Acala liquid staking is 5 DOT. Minimum active stake is 5 DOT, okay? So I need to transfer some of my DOT from the relay chain to Acala. Okay, let's try 5 DOT in here. And it will show that I have 0.2 DOT on Acala and 11 DOT on Polkadot, okay? So the steps will change here. Step 1 will be fill information, and step 2 will be transfer DOT from Polkadot. Step 3, mint LDOT, okay? Let's submit this transaction. Okay, check all the information, making sure it's okay. Hit approve, enter your master password. Okay, the second transaction is completed, so let's hit continue to finish this by minting LDOT. Okay, you will receive 37.09 LDOT. Hit approve. Okay, the transaction is completed and you are eligible for free NFT. Okay, let's wait. Yay, you're staked in Acala liquid staking and you receive a Acala Power Staker NFT. And what you can do with this NFT, you are eligible to participate in a quest on Airlift and win up to 10 USDT on Polkadot Asset Hub. Okay, you can share this good news to everyone on Twitter. Okay, and here will be this template I staked out with Acala Network liquid staking on SubWallet Web Dashboard. NFT holders have the chance to win more in Airlift 1. Okay, I'm going to share this good news with everyone. Okay, great. All right, happy staking.